I think I've ever seen her.
You're definitely doing well. Good job, Dad.
You almost got Dad in the hippity hop.
Purposely trying to get
Hippity hop on the hippity hop. Amy, how come my bubble wand's already bubbling empty? I know it. Alright, well there's the big bubble mix. Ready? Go, get him, Avery! Oh no!
Oh no!
Let me see. Here, take this for a minute. Let me see this one. When bubbling goes wrong, a 200 bulb. You're welcome. Hold the handle.
I love that she puts it in there and lets it soak up real nice.
Oh, that just took the breath out of me.
Avery, I think that there's a, I think there might be a scholarship in bubble making for you.
Whoa!
that was a big one.
Your bubble one's better than my bubble one.
Get that bubble.
That's what you get for piping in.
Good morning, Rosie. Are you tired from our hike yesterday?
What's that?
You don't get bubbles, do you?
Every dog I ever had would attack them.
Yeah.
This one, she can't even move today.
Hold it up to the wind.
I was amazed yesterday when she caught the pizza.
I
That was the first time I've ever tossed something
I
to her.
really
that
gotta
she's
tell.
done.
Nice.
It's about
She'll
time.
be clean soon enough. I like how she's.
It's about time
She's gonna
somebody
go-
knocks some of the dirt off of
I'm
her.
gonna go run.
Oh no, Avery!
I like how she's gonna go running first to add a little extra more grime
A little-
to the griminess.
Grime to the dust.
Oh, look at all the bubbles.
Who's beeping?
Somebody's truck.
Somebody beeping?
Avery, whose truck makes that noise?
My daddy's and my
Your daddies and the daddies. You want the daddies and the daddies?
Both of them? Both daddy and daddies? Buzz the tower on that one, dude.
Oh, you stepped in it. Why did we think that was going to be a good
I
idea?
think that was gonna go.
Do we need more bubbles?
I love how surprised you were.
I know.
Avery, run with it. Run it.
Bubbles are going right at me.
Run it down the lake.
Ready?